You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is the name of a French rapper that is quite famous in France, very popular in fact, pronounced Jul. Should be pronounced Jules because his name is Julien, just like me, but it's normally pronounced, he pronounces it as Jul with a J sound. J in French is normally je, not je, but in this case he pronounces it this way. The U is normally pronounced U in French, he pronounces it as U, so Jul is how it's said. I guess it sounds a bit cooler, Jul, like cool, while Jules sounds a bit old-fashioned, Jul. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.